What is going on, friends? I'm so pumped. So a lot of you all have asked what is going on with the Fieros that you want at 2.4 hours of the mullets. You know, we got a white one and a blue one, and one of them was much nicer than the other. The blue one was like mint, the white one needed a ton of work. So I suckered Kurt into let me get the blue one so that I can do what I'm about to show you guys I'm gonna do today. So I remember vividly in 1985, my mom and I was living with my mom, and we had this old car. It was an old Chevette, had no heat. I used to have a blanket across me when I was going to school, had a hole in the floorboard. And in 1985, a radio station, Q107 in DC, was giving away a Fiero. So I remember my mom calling like every hour trying to win this Fiero, and she never could. And so recently I was like, oh, I want to get my mom a Fiero. Like, she always wanted one. I'd like to get her one. And she was like, do not get me a Fiero. I don't want one. That was another time. It's too small. I don't want a small car, blah, blah, blah. So I agreed not to buy her one, but I did win her one. And there it is. So we took the white one, took the wheels off the white one, the GT, and put it on this. This thing is actually like super custom. It's bored and stroked out like a 3.1. It's got all kinds of goodies on it. And so we took all the horrible graphics off of it and the chrome wheels off it and made it look sweet. And now I'm about to put it in position and then walk my mom up my driveway and surprise her with it. Gunnar, what do you think about this? You can get in it. Yeah, come on. You want to see if there's any snacks in it? I don't think there's any snacks in it, dude, but you can check it out. You might find something in the crack of a seat or something. So this is the hot rod. We've got some funny plans for the future for the white one that we won, but I'm so excited to give this to my mom.
Do you want to hear this?
Yeah, what do you got? Oh! Oh, the boy found the horn. Okay, hey, let's go put it in place so we can go surprise Mia with it. What do you think?
No, I want to buy it.
You want to go for a ride first? Mm-hmm. Okay, let's go for a ride. All right, so we're in position. I got a bow on it, so I'm gonna go get her, and when she walks around this corner, she's gonna see it. Oh man, I'm so excited. So I want to take you back to 1985. 1985. What were we driving in 1985?
Well, it was either the big car with no heat. Oh no, it was a Camaro. 85.
We had the Chevette, and we used to have that blanket.
Oh yeah.
That you would put on me to go to school.
Right.
And remember, Q107 was giving away something.
Oh, a Fiero.
Remember that?
Yeah.
How funny when we tried to win it. Tried to win it, and then I told you recently I wanted to buy you a Fiero, and what'd you say?
I think I said probably no.
Why'd you say no?
It's too little or something.
Yeah. Well.
Oh my God! You are kidding me! You are kidding me!
Come on!
Perfect timing.
No way!
So you'll be happy to know
What?
I didn't win it. I mean, I didn't buy it. I won it.
No way!
I won it. I won it in a race. Me and Kurt Busch did a race last weekend at Cletus's. 2.4 hours of the mullets.
Oh my! Oh that.
And we won it.
How wild is this?
Do you even
It was
know
my
the
brother,
story?
Matthew.
He filled me in early.
Oh my gosh! We stopped at payphones.
They said how many times you
If it was getting ready to come time, we'd stop it. I always had dimes on me because it was only a
How
dime.
many times do you think you called?
Oh my gosh!
Gunnar!
Oh my god!
Gunnar, what is that?
It's ridiculous inside.
You really won this?
Yeah.
Two.
Yeah, and then I had
Did you know
to...
this was part of the...
I can't believe how mint this is.
Well, when we were doing the race, he revealed it was Fieros, and I was like, oh my gosh, if we win, I'm giving one to my mom.
Oh my god, it
Look how
really
mint
is.
condition this thing is.
I cannot believe this. Oh, look at the sticker on the back.
Yep.
Route 66.
Yep. Oh, and it's come with, I mean, this guy
Drive my Fiero
the
on
guy that
66.
owned this car absolutely loved it.
I mean,
He
look
sent
Did you
all
show
these,
this to Gary?
look at this. Gary has no idea.
This is amazing.
Oh my.
Look at this
Oh,
dude.
look at him. Wow.
He was into it. 2004.
Wow.
He's taking
I mean, he was the
Wow.
Fiero guy of the Fieros.
This thing is
Every
incredibly
once
neat.
in a while I see one and it
It's
brings that
so
story.
crazy cool.
It brings that story back to me and it always makes me smile.
Look at all this. He's got all this paperwork.
No
It's
He
way.
put so much love in this thing.
Why did he get rid of it?
Oh, he's just selling it. I don't know. People move on from things.
Coming from our certified RTR guy, Tim. He says half the stuff in here is custom.
I feel like this is your size too.
He said the billet,
That means
all the billet engine stuff.
You're
is
not really
custom.
giving this
all
to
this
me.
stuff.
Yeah, this is yours.
This is all custom.
you're giving this to me?
Yeah. Yeah, this is your Fiero. Whether you want to leave it here and as your,
I feel like I gotta cry.
it's okay.
You gotta feel
Let
it.
it flow.
And it's mint condition. It's literally,
Oh my God.
I can't find this. It's like a story that you don't think you could bring back to life. Like it would have cost you so much money to make this happen.
Well,
Take a picture
here's the
because
one
my
thing.
face
I've
gets
got
ugly.
multiple.
You're fine. Jump in this thing.
I got
It's
multiple
so
texts
mint.
that say we need to do a burnout, and is that even possible?
Yeah, I would say we gotta teach mine to do a burnout right now.
Is it feasible to do a
Jump in there. It is so stupid mint inside.
It is so
It's
clean.
like this is so clean. It's so ridiculously clean. What do we have here? This is such a good win, Joe. What a good. You won this?
Yeah, I won this at the race I did last weekend.
You're kidding.
Yeah.
Honey. Okay,
This
watch
is
your
mine.
fingers.
And so my teammate wanted this one over the white one, so we horse traded a little bit so I could get it. Thanks, Kurt.
She looks like she's ready to party.
Oh, it's got the.
Hey, look at you.
You got the things up here. This
I
is
don't
so
even
nice
know what-
You remember how to drive a stick, Mom?
How-
Remember how to drive a stick?
I'll have to
You
learn.
know how to drive a stick.
Thanks, Kurt, too.
Look at my teammate. We both did it together.
the steering wheel.
I love
Did you
it.
see how mint that
It's so
Yeah. Gunnar, we be careful with the paint. Remember, we don't put things on paint.
You did? I do remember the PGC, but I
Yeah,
don't
when we
remember
tried to
this.
win it. We tried to win it. They had 15
It's just
of
such a
them.
wild card.
And we tried to win
This is
them.
such a
I
good.
never
This is a
gave
good
up
win.
trying to win.
Might be one of your best wins.
Oh my
Right?
God.
That's
A good move, right?
So, Gerald, you won this at the event?
Yeah.
How'd you do that?
We won it. The winning team got 2 Fieros.
Yeah.
We got 2 of them.
It was a race.
Drive down
All
the road
crown
and
dicks, right?
I gotta remember how to drive.
How'd you do that? Well, you win a race, and this is a trophy, Gary. It's how we give
Look
things.
at the tailpipe.
Did you get down and do a foot race?
JR, we don't like those bowls and things. We like.
All right, everyone look out. We're going for a maiden voyage.
Go do it. Teach her how to drive this thing.
All right.
Probably want this.
It'll be fine. We'll figure it out.
So race up in that thing. She's low.
You might stall it. Matthew, move the drift trike, please.
Wow.
You got Gunnar. We'll be right back.
Hey, where's Theo?
All
I
right.
don't know what this thing.
Does
I
the
can't
seat
think.
move in these
I'm
things?
trying to figure it out.
Oh yeah, here we go. Right there. Good. Scoot up. Yeah. Scoot it up as you need to.
Let's see.
Scoot up.
I think I'm good.
Here, how do you tilt it this way?
They got it here.
Gunnar, we're gonna come back and get you. Okay? You can't go on this ride.
Oh no, Gunnar.
Okay? We'll be right back to get you.
Yeah.
Shut the door for them.
Thank you.
Oh, nice.
Yeah.
Oh,
You want to see the headlights come up?
you're pimping.
Yeah, you
oh,
can.
you got the seatbelt pads.
Oh, look at that. You're right. Okay, we in?
Yeah. Are you all the way up? and
Everybody
comfy?
has to get away.
Everybody look out. She hasn't driven a stick in a while. It's been how many years?
It's in right now.
All right.
Everybody's away.
All right. So no power steering.
Okay. Well, what do you need? Do you really need it for this?
I don't know. You'll let me know.
Wow.
You're driving your Fiero. I feel like this might be
gosh.
like my first driving a Countach
yeah.
experience.
Oh, yeah.
Hey, let's get you got your sweet seatbelt
Okay,
protector
yeah.
there. You know, just shift when you're ready. You don't have to, but go feel what it's got. Give it a little push on that gas pedal there. Woo!
Oh gosh, I didn't see them pop up.
Yeah, we turned them barb one to
Okay.
see them,
Okay.
but you can turn them off right there. There you go, right down.
Wow. Oh my goodness.
It's got booming system. You got a subwoofer right here. You got tweeters up here.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Music is important here.
Oh, and I just found a cassette tape too.
No way. Is there a cassette
Says-
player in here? Because I still have lots of cassettes.
I don't know. No, no. They converted to a CD. Really.
Okay. Wow. Wow. What am I looking at here?
Oh, those are gauges. That's a temperature gauge.
Oh.
That's temperature, and that's air fuel. It's just some fancy stuff.
Yeah, yeah.
The guy who had this really did some hot rod stuff to
Oh
it.
yeah. Wow.
It's probably a little better than the Chevette we had back then. You were driving no problem.
Yeah, right.
Oh, look in the mirror. It says objects in mirror are losing. That's amazing.
That is good.
That is absolutely objects in mirror. This guy was a real race car driver that had this.
Oh my gosh. This is totally unreal.
I know.
And just the
I couldn't
story,
wait for this moment.
Just the story.
I know. It's so amazing.
Oh my gosh. When I think about
Finally got that. Finally got that
Hey, well,
car.
that's so funny. Every time, it was like 15 Fieros that you could win, and then we'd lose. We didn't make the one, and now there was 14. We were counting them down, and even as it got really low, I said, "We still got a chance."
I know. We were doing it
still got
like
a
crazy.
chance.
I remember.
I mean, at the time,
You're good.
at the time, I was working too. I'd pick you up from a daycare. Again, if it came on, we stopped at the nearest payphone.
This thing is so mint. It's just crazy.
Oh my gosh, JR, this is
Condition.
unbelievable. I don't know how to even say thank you.
You don't
I don't
have
even
to.
know how to say thank you.
You don't even have to.
Oh
It
my
drives
gosh.
amazing.
You look good in it too.
All right, so my mom and my stepfather are out enjoying their new Fiero, or Fiero, as Kurt Busch would say. What an amazing turn of events. She wouldn't let me buy one, so I won one, and she had no choice, and she fully embraced it, and she is so pumped. She's probably at the top of the hill crying right now, like letting it out. She's just, oh man, amazing. I'm so pumped to have been able to do that for my mom. So hope you guys enjoyed it. For me, that was one of those things, like my whole life I always thought about. Like, my mom needs a Fiero. She wanted one so bad. She deserves one. She needs one. And Destiny brought it to us from a win at the Freedom Factory. So thanks, Kurt Busch, for being a part of making this happen. Thanks, Cletus, for the awesome gift that now my mom will enjoy. And it's actually a very similar color to my stepdad's Ford Mustang RTR. So they'll be able to go cruise together. So cute. Have fun, friends. Woo!